To change last day of the month after or before the date, use EMONTH function. This function returns last day of the month before or after the date. This function also returns the number of months after or before the date. This is the name of function. This function has two arguments. In start date argument, type the dates. In months argument, type the numbers. If you enter positive number, the function returns next month after the date with last day of that month. If you enter negative number, the function returns the previous month before the date with last date of that month. Click cancel. Active this cell. In formulas tab, function library group, click date and time arrow button. Click EMONTH function. The function arguments dialog box open. In start date box, select the date. In months box, enter 1. When you click OK, function will return date of next month March with last date of that month. Click OK. Format this cell. Right click. Click Format Cells. The Format Cells dialog box open. Click Date category. Click OK. You can see function returns next month March with last day of month March. This is before date and this is last date. Before date is February 2, 2019. After date is March 31, 2019. Click formula bar. Enter 2 in second argument. Press enter. Function returns date by adding 2 months in this date with last day of month April. Again activate the cell. Click formula bar. Enter -2. Press enter. Function returns date by subtracting 2 months in this date with last day of month December 2018. In this way you can use EMONTH function in an Excel worksheet.